Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the lock actuator on one of the rear doors on this 2000 Buick LeSabre. Door lock actuators are available on our site. The DLA00005 is driver's side, the 6 is passenger side. Tools you'll need are a flat blade screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, door panel clip tool, also available on our site, 10mm wrench or socket and ratchet, T30 Torx Driver, and a T10 Torx Driver, as well as pliers. And on some vehicles, how you get the door panel off may differ.
Okay, start with a flat blade screwdriver. Just carefully go right in behind here and pull out on this bezel. Kind of comes forward and off. Okay, next you're going to want to take your screwdriver again and pry out on this courtesy light. It just kind of comes straight out. You can pull the bulb out like that. Phillips screwdriver, you look right in here, you'll see a black Phillips screw. Remove that. Okay, now there's a series of clips around the door panel. You want a door panel clip tool. What you can do is kind of pull out on the panel, slide it in, and then usually down until you come to a clip. Pull it out, put it right around the clip, and then pull on the door panel and the tool at the same time. And then just keep doing that right around the whole panel.
And I'll speed it up here as I just work my way around the panel with the tool and pulling to release the clips. And then once you release the clips, you'll want to actually just kind of try and pull the handle out, or pull the panel out and pull it up and off of the bracket.
Pull all the back clips out, pull the door panel up, and then come up in the front here. Pull all these clips out. Okay. And you'll have to kind of pull your door panel up and out. Okay. And then there's a little a little electrical connection here. Just press on a tab, disconnect that. Door panel comes off. You can see right here, this is the clip in the middle. It slides down on these clips here. So what you want to do is, once you have your panel off, take your screwdriver, push up. There's basically two just little teeth that hold it on. Push up, pull the clip off, and then push down. Okay, and that comes off. You can slide it right back in there.
Fast forward here as we remove the other clip and then put it back into the panel, and then the panel is ready to install when you have your project done. Once the door panel is off, use some pliers or a screwdriver, pull the pins at the top of the water shield out, and carefully pull the water shield down to give you access to the part. Use your door panel clip tool or a pair of pliers and remove the pins and the big styrofoam block that's kind of the lower part of that opening.
Remove this bolt here. out. You can pull these rods from there. And then pull your handle like this, and this rod pulls up and out, and then kind of twist your handle and pull it off of the other rod here. Firmly pull and kind of rotate it this way at the same time. Now there's 3 T30 screws. You'll need a T30 Torx Driver. You'll want a ratchet style like this. And remove these 3 screws.
Okay, we'll just speed up here as we remove those 3 screws.
Now up inside, you can see there's a gray clip here. And squeeze my hand, but you want to basically reach in with your thumb and undo that clip. You can see right there, and then pull your rod out like that. Okay, your harness, actually if you reach right here, there's a pin right here. That's where your harness goes. You just want to take your fingers or a screwdriver, kind of pinch that and force that through. And now basically just take this full assembly and pull it right out. Okay, and here's your 2 leads. Just there's little tabs, just pull the lead and pull the lead, and you're disconnected. Okay, here's your actuator and lock mechanism. The actuator is held in by 2 small T10 screws. So we're just going to use a T10 driver and remove those. Okay. Now your actuator can come off and out like that. Okay, so take your lock mechanism, your new actuator from 1A Auto, kind of put them together a little bit diagonally. Okay, press this rubber grommet into the lock mechanism, and then put your actuator up into place. Okay, drop 1 screw in, drop the other screw in.
And we'll speed it up here again as we put those, or tighten those screws up.
Okay, now reconnect your leads. The black one goes on the bottom. Okay, this one that has the blue around it goes up on the top. Okay, and then put this back in. Here's your child lock safety switch that's on the bottom toward the inside of the car. Kind of have to just feed it in a little bit. The styrofoam here gets in the way some. Feed it right in. Okay, your lock rod or your door latch rod from your door handle will be in there, so just make sure you pull that forward. Feed the whole mechanism right up into place. Okay, just start your screws in here. Okay, and then come in here and make sure that you can
Fast forward here as we tighten up those 3 T30 Torx screws that hold the latch mechanism into the door.
Okay, reinstall the door handle. You'll want to do the yellow one first. Kind of bring the handle in like this and push it on while you rotate it. Okay. Okay, then this one you just kind of rotate the handle forward a little bit, get the rod in there. Push it down. Okay, bring your handle forward. Make sure it's in the slot. Push it back. And the last thing is just to put these, make sure that it snaps back into here. Place.
Now reinstall the styrofoam block, insulation block, and carefully put your water shield back up, put the pins back into place, and make sure you press the outside edges into place.
Okay, before you put your door panel back on, again make sure this bracket is in place. Okay. Reconnect your harness. Now 2 of your lower pins are longer, so you can actually kind of put those in place. I'm just kind of looking down, seeing those go in place. Those should pretty much line it up, and then you can just rotate the panel onto the door. Okay. Watch everything go in. Peek back here, make sure that these pins are lined up. Okay. Ashtray full out 4. Stick the back in a little bit and then put that in. Okay. Make sure we take our Phillips screw and carefully put it in. Okay. Connect our courtesy light.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.